Hello class, here is summary of chapter first environment. See introduction. Environment is our basic life support system. So we can say environment is our basic life support system. Without environment, life cannot exist. Second, it provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So, in environment, these all things are there for us, and we use these things like air, water, food, and the land where we live. So these are provided by environment only. Then uh, the place, people, thing, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. One thing more, it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. So that's we can say about the environment. Then the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. See, first we will talk about the biotic. So the word of living organism, for example, plants and animals are included in biotic. So in biotic, we can say plants, animals, or you can say living organism is included. The next is abiotic, the non-living elements. For example, land. Land is non-living elements, so these are included in abiotic portion of environment. Then see components of environment. So here is the one diagram, and this diagram is in our book also. So through this diagram we can understand the components of environment. They are human made, human is also a component, and natural components. So land, air, water, and living things are included in natural components. And human made components, as you can see, buildings, park, bridges, road, industries, so these are monuments, so these are included in human made components. These are the components of environment. And as far as human is concerned, so we can say individual, family, community, religious or religion, education, economy, and political situation. So these are the portion of human, means human portion or human component of earth. Then natural environment. So see, land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. Then it's if it's about the biosphere, then atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere combinedly form uh, these things, means biosphere. See, first we will discuss lithosphere. So lithosphere is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. So that's about the lithosphere. And then the hydrosphere, so dominant of the water referred to as hydrosphere. And then atmosphere, so the atmosphere is the thin layer of air surrounds the earth. So these are the three portions, and first is lithosphere, second is hydrosphere, and third is atmosphere. Discuss about these three also. And now see what is ecosystem. Here is one question in our book, that what is ecosystem. So see, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment. So ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, and all linked by the transfer of the energy and material. So how they are linked? They are linked through the transfer of the energy and material. And here we can say this about the ecosystem. And then that is N, and that was the summary of our first chapter. Thank you.